Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to screen record using Canva. First, open Canva and start a new design, like a video or presentation. On the left side of your screen, you'll find the Uploads tab. Click on it, and then select the Record Yourself button. This action will seamlessly take you to Canva's built-in recording studio, where all the magic happens. Once in the recording studio, you'll need to set up your camera and microphone. Your browser will likely ask for permission to access these devices, so be sure to allow it. You have three main options: record just your camera, just your screen, or both at the same time. If you choose to record your screen, you can then specify if you want to capture a single browser tab, a specific application window, or your entire desktop. With your settings configured, simply click the Record button to start your session. You'll see a brief countdown, usually 3 seconds, before recording begins. If you need a moment, you can pause and resume your recording at any time. Once you've captured everything you need, click Done. Then, select Save and Exit to automatically add your new screen recording to your Canva design, ready for further adjustments. Your recorded video is now an editable element within your Canva project. You can easily trim, crop, or even flip your recording to perfect its appearance. Once you are completely satisfied with your video, navigate to the Share button. From there, you can download your creation as an MP4 file, making it simple to share across various platforms or embed into other projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.